back again with another bang. I know I've been gone for like a good, probably say about a month and a bit, but yeah, just to be real with you, like I feel like I got a little bit like just a bit demotivated, and it wasn't anything big, so it was just more of a just myself in it, just moving dumb in it. But basically what happened was, when I was obviously recording the day in the lives and that, doing trade and stuff and whatnot, my it's just like the USB that goes from my laptop into my monitor, it stopped working. I could have just ordered a new one and just carried on, but kind of just made me a little bit like demotivated for the content thing a little bit. But we're back, and yeah. And another thing as well which has happened, which is absolutely pissing me off, and obviously now I'm just going to be doing videos without like the laptop and whatnot, but I was using my laptop and randomly it just stopped working. Like the night before it was on, and then the next day, like I've gone to turn it on and it's just not coming on anymore, and apparently it's the motherboard. And when I've looked it up, it's like kind of, it's not expensive, but it's a couple hundred, and I hope it's not, but it's just a piss take. I feel like it's just sometimes it just be one thing after another, but like I said, I can't be mad. It is what it is, and I'm trying to get out of that mindset where I'm starting to get pissed off with things and make it ruin my whole mood and everything that I got going on, and so yeah. But anyway, today we're doing a track session, intervals. So, and yeah, I'm training for a half marathon, the London big half, and I'm trying to go for a good time. So when I get to the track, say what my session is gonna be. So yeah, so today's session is gonna be, I've got to do a 10-minute warm-up at a 5:27 pace, and then I've got to do a 400 meters at a 3:45 pace. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and then I got to do a 5-minute cool down at a 5:27 pace again. Like I was saying earlier, I'm training for half marathon, so yeah, this training right now is crucial. I'm at the start of it. This is my 3rd week, so next week is going to be like a recovery week. Then after that, that's when it starts to get a bit serious though, because my training plans every 4 weeks, and it's going to be for, I think it was 20 weeks or 21 weeks. So yeah, we're gonna go get into this session, and I've tied up my laces. And oh yeah, I just got the quote for my laptop. It's gonna be £457. That's a joke thing, that is. So I ain't even fixing it just yet, can't lie. I'm just gonna have to use my old laptop for now to do the trading on, and then when it's getting close, I'm just gonna have to take out my phone, because my other laptop is a bit slow, but I don't really like analysing the charts from my phone. I like a bigger screen, so I'm just gonna have to use my laptop, and then when I'm gonna enter, I just use that because it's a bit faster. But yeah, let's go get into this workout anyway, because yeah, I ain't got a lot of time, because trading starts in 50 minutes. So yeah, and then furthermore, wait there, I didn't even let you lot know I got a Garmin watch now. So this is what I'm going to be using for the future, because it's more accurate. You see, when I was using my phone, like, you see, by the time I do one lap, it hasn't even picked up a pace or anything yet. So I needed a Garmin, and it actually works. It's good. I like it. So we've got 2 more laps to go. This is just the 90-second rest. I've got to go at 5:27. So the next speed lap is not coming with me. We're going to be going at 3:45 pace. I've got 2 more laps. Come on, let's go. Come on. So that's this workout finished. That was, can't lie, it was pretty hard, but you see, recording solo and doing a track day, it's hard, man, because you're having to start. So I mainly wanted this to be like a consistent workout, like do one lap, do a rest period, a lap rest period, but because I'm having to set up my camera and put my camera in different places, it made it a little bit harder. But yeah, that's that. 400 meters times 8 finished at 3:45 paced. I'm gonna try get put the Strava stats on the screen, but yeah, that's it for this track session. I need to hurry up and get back. I'm just gonna quickly do 1 lap to like cool down, and then yeah, we're heading back because it's 1 o'clock now. New York session's already started, so when I get in the car I actually do need to look at the charts quickly, even though I don't really like to do it on my phone. But yeah, let's go. So this is the laptop that I had to resort back to. As you can see, the screen don't work, so I have to connect it to the monitor. But at the moment, it's currently 2 o'clock, about 17 minutes past, and I can't see any setups at all. I think it might just be one of those days, but I don't think there's any news. Let me check. Oh, there's news. No, it's not. The news is past. The only thing that I can feel like could potentially happen is if when a New York Stock Exchange opens, it potentially gives me a supply. So we're currently in a trade. Oops. It's a NAS 100, and for this one we're gonna go for a 1 to 2. So yeah, we finally found something. When we get to 1 to 1, I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even. And my stop loss is at break even, so it's a risk-free trade. Can't lie, it's booming, you know. Look at that. 2k there. You know what? We're just gonna watch it like this then. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna screen record it, and then yeah, if it hits TP, you lot will see it, because holding this camera for the whole time is long. So guess what then? I'm up for the day, 2%, hit TP, all of that, you know. So yeah, so I only went for a 1 to 2, so I risked 1k to get 2k. Normally with the setup that I did take, I would go for a 1 to 3, but because it was so late, it's basically free. But I just come out the trade, I'd say about 3:40, and I got into the trade about 3:30. It's a bit late, so I was like, you know what, let me just go for 1 to 2 and just secure some profits. I don't want to just go for the madness and go for 1 to 3, and just say if it didn't get there, then I would have just wasted that on some profits, and I knew that it was late in the day also. But let me just give you like a quick trade breakdown and why I took it, and a bit more of updated analysis on how I look at the charts now, because I did see a video the other day for Doyle, and I added in another indicator, what's a moving average, a 13 EMA. So I've still got the 200, and now just implemented a 13 EMA too, with obviously price action. So when I come onto the charts now, I'll go into the daily, and on the daily I see that there was, and I think we're at all-time highs also as well, because there's no other price action to the side, so I'm assuming I'm at all-time highs as well. But yeah, I drawed out this demand here, this one, and then I've scaled down to the 4 hour. But then on the 4 hour, I realized that there was this change of character here. So when you go onto the line chart, you'll see it more clearly. So this was a break of structure of this higher low, and then it's made another higher high, and then it's come straight back down and made a lower low, and then a tiny bit of a lower high, and then come back down. So like I said, that to me is a change of character. Does it mean it's going to be, you know what I'm saying? Does it mean it's going to be a long-term thing? No. But yeah, for a short-time basis, it made a change of character. Then I went on to the 1 hour, and then I've marked up this supply zone here, this area, and then it's obviously there's a gap in the market as well, like here, and then it's rejected, and it's rejecting a 13 EMA also. So I was like, you know what, even though we're above, we're showing bullish, so we're above the 200, but just like a short-term basis at the moment, one sec, we're below the 200 EMA. We've made a 4 hour change of character. Then when I've gone into the 5 minute, I've seen that there was, oh my god, this laptop, I'm not used to using this laptop, but yeah, so when I've gone into the 5 minute, I seen that there was this, it was just this big candle at the moment, but it broke structure from down here. So I was like, okay then, 4 hour change of character, 1 hour supply with 1 hour supply with it rejecting the zone and the 13 EMA, plus we were below the 13 EMA on the 5 minute and below the 200. So I was like, okay then, this is valid for me for a sell to go for a 1 to 2. Normally I'll go for 1 to 3 because it's a 1 hour and a 5 minute, but because it was so late, I just wanted to take profits, and as you can see, boom. So my trading plan now for the rest of the year is just to stay consistent and disciplined, you know, like, and then just start just moving like I'm a profitable trader, like just do things that a profitable trader would do, like start journaling, start going over my trades, start, like I said, just journal my thoughts on the trade, how I felt, reading, just self-disciplined, just read certain books that better my life, just in general, because you see, trading, yeah, it's not just about going on the charts and trading, it's what you're doing outside of that. So it's like, you just want to have your mind so clear to the point where you don't feel emotional when you are taking these trades. It's like, you know what, it is what it is, part of the game, move on. Just say how you felt, because we're natural, we're human. So you might take a trade and you might feel a little bit nervous. Sometimes you might feel a little bit annoyed, but it's just gotta push forward, man. So journal that down, like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna do some more banking videos, some more day in the life videos, you know. Like I said, we're gonna run up this trading bank. We're gonna get this 100k account. We're gonna get it back up from the 5% that's in, past the phase 1, past the phase 2, make payouts, get more accounts. That's what we're gonna be doing, innit? So, peace out, A-Town crew. Nah, but yeah, see you like in the next one.